Say hello to your ultimate at-home skincare upgrade, the GlasSkin LED Light Mask. Let's get it ready for use. First, take the mask out of the box and attach the soft flex eye inserts for a customized fit if needed. Next, connect the rechargeable controller and plug it in to start the process. Before using, cleanse and dry your skin. No makeup, no sunscreen, no oils. Just clean skin. Now, put on your mask and choose from 7 different light therapies designed to target specific skin concerns. The red light boosts collagen and reduces fine lines. The yellow light brightens and detoxifies. The green line evens out skin tone. The cyan line improves texture. The blue light fights acne and inflammation. The purple light helps with healing. The white light enhances skin regeneration and boosts overall radiance. Each session enhances skin rejuvenation, leaving your complexion smoother, clearer, and more radiant. After your treatment, don't skip the hydrating serum we include for free. It helps restore moisture and maximize your results. Before putting your mask away, check the battery level on the controller. If it's running low, just plug it in to charge so it's ready for your next session. Then wipe it down and store it safely in the included bag. Experience pro-level skincare at home with GlasSkin and get glowing.